What do you have there?
I have the ultimate Garden City!
Yay! That is awesome!
I have to get there to these cars.
We got Ultimate Garage by Hot Wheels.
Yeah, can I Harold with?
You got a lot of cars that you need to fit in your Ultimate Garage. I think they will all fit in here. There's a lot of spots.
Crusher is backwards.
Who is backwards?
Crusher?
The helicopter. 2 helicopters.
No.
It has
a face.
It has a face?
Yeah.
Your Harold has a face?
Yeah.
Awesome. It has 4 levels.
I got big. Is that the one to go down?
Oh, let's see if it's going to get bitten.
I wonder what's going to happen.
All right.
Where's my toy?
Whoa! It got bitten? Or no? Let's do it again.
It got bitten. I wonder what's going to happen. What happened, Mommy? I wonder what's going to happen. Good
It got bitten by the shark!
Yeah.
Oh, you're just going over your cars.
This car's go number 1. And this car's go number 2. And this car's go number 3. And this car's goes number. And this goes number 5. And this car's go number 8. And number 6. This car's go number 5. And this car's go number.
Oh, now you're already putting everything in level 3. The level 4 is full. We're going to stack all the rest of the cars in.
And
all the rest of the levels.
And this car's go number 5. And this car's go number 2.
Which level your car is going to?
My car's going there.
Level 1.
This car's going. It goes there.
Okay.
Let's see.
Elevator's coming down to pick up your second car.
Here. No, not there. Not there.
Out there, it's going to higher level.
No, that's
Going all the way to the top.
no, not
There's
that.
no room in the top, right? The top is full. Number 1 or number 2?
Number 2.
Okay, level number 2.
Which one's number 2? Did
The
you?
parking spot, number 7 is open.
Which one is half?
Number 3 is open. Number 4 is open.
How about? Which one is half 2? Oh, this is half 2.
Yep.
This,
Perfect.
it's half too much.
Okay.
Now we're going to hook up my car. Which one am I going to go? I want to go. No.
This looks like a shark car.
Yeah, like a blue car, like Umi car, like
Umi car?
Umizumi.
Okay.
No. No. That's not too much.
There's the second elevator that can take the cars up. Let's go to level 2. Let's park in level 2.
I'm parking number 3.
Level 3. The parking spot number 3. Perfect.
Now this car's going to join.
Perfect.
No! Oh, it comes through the back.
Oh. Fire station. Oh. All the cars coming through the fire station. Are you preparing all your cars?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll try.
Oh, yeah. Wow. They're forming a line.
No, don't.
Whoa.
Hey, enough! Don't get up. That one didn't.
Let's see if this gets lucky. Ah!
It didn't get lucky.
It didn't get lucky.
It didn't smack. It gets smashed.
Yup. Oh, I got lucky.
Yeah, I got lucky too.
Okay, this one got lucky. What happened?
Just stuck.
Almost. Got lucky.
Let's try it again.
Ew, it did go through this,
Yeah.
but it rolled over. You can switch lanes here and here. The shark lane. Ooh, we got lucky.
Ow, ow, ow. It
We got
hurt.
bitten.
What kind is that? What kind is that one?
Okay, next one. Going to the shark mouth. And it got bitten.
Yeah, the shark didn't get me. You always have to hold it.
Yep.
This car's got lucky.
Yep. This one got lucky. Just flew away.
What kind is that? It's Keystone.
Uh-oh, it rolled over. Accident.
Whoa,
This got lucky. It made it.
Yeah, it's a robot.
Fire car.
Yes, spiral car.
Spiral car.
Next person.
We need next person. We need more cars.
Yeah, so you
Because
need.
the top level is all empty. The top level went through the shark mouth challenge. Got lucky. Let's see who can race further. Who's gonna be the winner?
It's stuck.
Uh-oh. Okay.
Race that's on you.
Ready, set, go. Whoa, the Batman car was so fast. It won the race.
Race is down.
Yep, let's race. Ready, set, go. The blue car won.
Nine.
We have the super fast car.
It's the cheer car.
Okay, let's see. Ready, set, go.
Go.
Who won?
The cheer car won. Oh, it's backwards. Silly me. Oh.
Okay, ready, set, go. Oh, who won?
Both of them won.
I know. That was a very close call.
Good try. They
Oh,
got
wow.
so lucky.
These look like a very fast car. Whoa, this is going to be a close call. Whoa.
You're the fast-
Police car and a Blazer?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see who wins the race. Oh.
That's not it.
Who won?
I think the laser car won.
Nice. Cars are awesome.
Oh, it's sideways. Okay.
Backwards.
Backwards?
I
Which
think so. See. Which one wins? Uh-oh, it won.
It went by himself.
It did. Whoa, that one was a fast one.
I think the lazy, sporty G car won.
Let's try the race cars.
Fast.
Whew.
I think the short car won.
Yep.
Bigger one lost.
These ones are awesome. Whoa.
Backwards.
Yep. It went on its own. Whew.
So the upper car. What happened? What happened, Mommy?
Ready, set, go. Wow, that was fast. One down the race. There comes the bulldozer. Scoop up all the cars.
Two. Shove it.
Scoop up all the cars. Doing all the time.
One.
What's going on, Dookie?
It's the squirrel.
He wants to chase the squirrel. You seeing the squirrel? Jump up. Sit. Dookie, sit. Good boy. Catch. Good boy, Dookie. Good boy. Very nice. Good job.
Watch my